Serious about implementing AI into your systems and actually having it run your operations, your staff, your ads, everything live on a dashboard, then I suggest you watch this really quickly because I'm going to show you exactly how you can set it up for yourself or for your clients. All right. Every client has a live business OS, not another dashboard that looks nice on the front end that does absolutely shit all. This is going to be an AI workforce that does the actual work, a portal that proves it live, the same system I run my own company on, rebuilt around how each client really operates. This is the full teardown, what it does, what it's wired to, and where to grab it. So at the end, you'll see how you can actually use this, and I'll give you all my prompts, all my guides on our live builds and how we actually help clients make money with this stuff. 2 layers, 1 system. Okay. So we've got the workforce. So this is AI agents that answer leads in seconds, text back missed calls, traces every follow-up, handles after hours, tracks every single ad dollar, suggests improvements. They do the work around the clock, 24/7 without you in the loop. All right. Most people that are promoting this stuff don't even know how to get it running 24/7 and actually working. Then you've got the window, so a live portal you log into to watch them work. So you can see your agents running autonomously, doing the actual work for you. The leads, the calls, the ad spend, booked revenue, real numbers, updating real time, not a monthly PDF that you stopped opening. So most tools give you the work or the view. This is both wired into one place. So I'm going to show you all of it. So what you can build here. So you name the role and we build the agent. So lead response, missed call recovery, after hours desk, follow-up engine, reporting agent, exec agents, trades, finance, services, e-commerce. If a human does it on a screen, the agent can run it. All right. This is the best thing about agentic OS. So this is my own command center. I'm going to show you what I've actually built when it's running and not just more AI slop for you to look at. Okay. So I run my company from one screen. I don't just sell this, my whole company runs on it. It's the same engine, same portal, pointed at my own numbers so I can see exactly what's going on. So my exec team, okay, so I've got a CMO, CFO, outreach, sales, that agents brief me every single day. Each one remembers, holds its own tasks, and answers when I ask, all right? So I've also got a chief of staff agent that I talk to that runs this team. The whole fleet, so every client's health, leads, book value on one deck, one click drops me into every single client's view. So I can see them as an overview. I can also click on and see what my client's actually doing. Money and content live. So real revenue, bills due, cash position, and my content team queuing posts for Instagram, YouTube, everything business at a glance in real time. So if I can't run my business, I won't sell it to run yours, right? So again, I only sell what I've built that works. I'll never ever just tell you to build the system if it's not actually proven. So how it all connects, the whole thing is wired. So every single night, this runs itself, pulls from every tool that you run, works out exactly what each agent did, writes every client's a plain English brief, and pings me the second a connection drops before anyone notices. So if automation stops or an AI agent stops, I get pinged straight away and we can fix it before the client, sees it a week later or whatever it is. So you can see we connect all our tools, all right, we put into a pipeline with Chrome Engine. We got our core, so Superbase, secure database, row-level security, and resend for my clients to get all their reports, all right, and then that goes into my client portal and my command center, and obviously hosting with Versal. So I consider the full tech stack as well, which you'll get in the prompt at the end. So that's how that works. Proof every single week as well. So my clients and us, we see the speed to lead, missed calls recovered, after hours handled, ads and marketing is completely tracked. All right, so leads and opportunities are live, so they can see what's going on and how much booked value is in their pipelines. Okay, so plus the AI's actual conversation is live. So a direct line straight to my team and ask your workforce, right? A chat that answers any question about your own numbers. Not only is this running their operations, but they can actually jump into their portal and talk to the AI in there, and that will give them all the information they need and next steps. So there's full transparency, fully autonomous, fully agentic. All right. This is like the source. So the intelligence layer, daily AI brief, weekly value email, silent failure alerts, honest by design. So Claude writes every client plan English rundown of what their AI did, their numbers, no fluff, showing their true numbers. They're never not sure what's going on. We send them to them every single day. A clean, here's what your AI did this week. Email lands in their inbox. The proof comes to them. So they're never thinking, is this AI working or what's going on? Okay. If a client integration dies, my team knows the same day. So no client ever finds it first and never invents a number. So empty means empty. Every figure traces back to real activity. So this runs every day on its own. I do not touch it. This has saved me hours and hours every single week. And that's how I save business owners hours. This is full production grade multi-tenant. One recent week across the fleet, This is what it showed me: 790 leads worked, 230K booked, response time under 5 minutes, all tracked, all provable. And this is the tech stack here: one code base, one database, every client walled off from every other. Live, you can see it here on my actual domain, right? So everything is live on my portal. I put the whole build in the interval vault. So I've got a vault that you can access for free, right? If you click on the link below or go to this URL, you can actually get that. If you opt into it, you'll get all the information free. It's not just one thing. I've got all my builds, all my prompts, all my guides, everything that we've built and that's proven. You can actually get access to it and do it yourself if you want to. The full architecture, the agent playbooks, the exact step prompts, everything. I'll walk you through it, layout to copy, absolutely free. I always do no gatekeeping. So grab it there. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you soon.